Welcome to Shail's Kitchen, home of good food and good memories. Here's what's cooking in Shail's Kitchen today. Black beans. Here are the main ingredients we'll be using to make our black beans. Right in front of me I have some beautiful bell peppers and pimentos. I have fresh ground garlic and ginger, some onion, oregano, kosher salt, coarse ground black pepper, black beans of course, and I have a golden cooking wine, some extra virgin olive oil, and unsalted butter. I will be listing all the ingredients and quantities in the description box below for you guys. The first thing that we're doing is heating 4 tablespoons of sweet cream unsalted butter and 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil on high heat. Now that the butter has melted, I am reducing the heat to medium and I'm going to add my onions. I'm just going to stir that up and saute this for about a minute or so. Next, I'm going to add my ground ginger and garlic mix. And we're going to let that go for another minute too. Next, we'll add all our beautiful pimentos and bell peppers. And I'm going to let this go probably for a couple minutes. So this looks really good. Now it's time to add our black beans. And we're just going to stir that all up. It smells wonderful. So now I'm going to turn our heat back up to medium high and I'm going to let this come to a boil. I just added 2 1/4 cups of water, so I'm going to let that come to a boil again. When the black beans start to come to a boil, you'll see that there's some froth that starts to form on the top, and all I'm going to do is just skim that off before I add my other ingredients. Remember to keep stirring regularly so that you don't have the beans sticking to the bottom of the pot. Now that I've skimmed the froth off the top of the black beans, I'm going to be adding my golden wine and a tablespoon of dried oregano. And I'm going to give this a really nice stir to get everything well blended. And I'm going to let this cook up for another couple minutes or so before I taste it. I just tasted the black beans and it doesn't need any salt at all, so I just added a little bit of coarse ground black pepper, and of course that's optional if you don't want to add that. The black beans have been cooking for about 15 minutes or so, so now I'm going to reduce the heat to like a medium low. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take like the back of my spoon and just like start to mash a few of these black beans up. And what that's going to do, it's going to thicken it up really nicely. So, you know, something like this you can eat with white rice. It's just delicious. And also, for me, it's a favorite on my meatless days just to eat a bowl of this nice big bowl of black beans. Because you can eat it like a soup or you can eat it over rice. And it's just delicious. I just want to show you what the consistency is like after cooking for about 20 minutes or so. You can be creative and garnish your black beans in a variety of ways. Here I've used a little dollop of sour cream, some chopped chives, and you can also use green onions as well, some shredded cheese, or you can enjoy it just as it is. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Shail's Kitchen, and follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. Thank you so much for spending your time with me, and I look forward to seeing you next time on Shail's Kitchen, home of good food and good memories.